Hi. In the Langfuse series, today we'll discuss about prompt management, how to use Langfuse to effectively manage your prompt. In the world of LLM ops, managing prompts is just as important as managing models. Today, I'll show you how to build, version, and experiment with prompts directly in code using Langfuse. We'll have mainly these steps. First, we'll create prompts directly from Langfuse UI. Then we'll demonstrate how to create prompts programmatically and push it to Langfuse. At last, we'll fetch both prompts we created from Langfuse, compile with our own variable, and run using LLMs from Ollama. At first, you need to create a virtual environment and create an env file where you add Langfuse secret and public keys along with its host. For more information, please have a look at the first video of Langfuse series. Also, let's pull Mistral model in Ollama as we will be using this throughout the short demo. Let's start by importing the required libraries and setting up our environment. Here I am connecting to Langfuse for prompt change management and to Ollama, which is running the Mistral 7B model locally. Then we'll create a new prompt using Langfuse UI. We'll go here. Name of the prompt. We'll put customer support. We'll go to chat. Under system message, we'll put and for user message, you can put variable user query. We'll set the prompt. Let's fetch the prompt that I created in Langfuse UI inside VS Code. Notice how I can pull the metadata and see the exact structure of the prompt. Now let's compile this prompt with an actual user query. How do I reset my password? As you can see, Langfuse neatly replaces the variables and produces the final messages. That will be sent to the LLM. Let's send this compiled prompt to our local Ollama model, and there is a response from the Mistral acting like our helpful support agent. Now we'll create a prompt programmatically instead of UI. Now comes the fun part. Instead of a helpful support agent, what if we wanted our assistant to answer our queries in a poetic way? Using Langfuse, we can create a new version of the same prompt directly from the code. So you can see version 2 is created. You can also see from the Langfuse UI, the second version is created with the new system prompt. Now let us fetch the version 2 of the prompt in the code. Now you can see for the question, how do I reset my password? The support assistant is responding the question in a poetic way. Now let's see how we can use Postman to fetch prompt details from Langfuse. First, we configure Postman to use the basic auth method where the username is our Langfuse public key and password is the secret key. Then we simply get the get request to the endpoint API public v2 prompts. This gives us a JSON response listing all the available prompts, including their versions levels. If we want to have a specific prompt, we just add the prompt name version in the URL. You can even see the system prompt and the user prompt templates directly in the response. This makes Postman a quick and user-friendly way to explore Langfuse prompts without writing any code. So that's how you can manage prompts in a structured way in Langfuse, fetch from UI, compile with variables, and run with an LLM, and even create a new version programmatically. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.